So today we're on the last leg of our trip. We're just gonna go straight down to Petawawa and head back to the car. 8 o'clock, so plenty of time to get there. Got a new shirt on today. Feeling nice and fresh. Very clean. Small set of rapids up ahead, and it says skip in high water. So I guess this is high water. And we're just gonna run down these. It says here class 1, so it shouldn't be too adventurous. Fighting the fish on a broken spinning rod. Wait, it's fighting. Feels like a smallmouth bass? Definitely a smallmouth. Ooh. So the Petawawa, I've noticed, has a lot of smallmouth bass in it. And pretty good one. But bass season has not started yet, so we gotta let them go. Smallmouth bass. Alright, buddy. Thank you. Off you go. Just trolling with a spinner. So, no skunk for today. Caught a fish, at least. Okay. Off we go. Portage is just down that way. And up ahead we have a small portage or 70 meters of small rapids. Actually looks runnable. Especially if we go to the right. Very nice, save ourselves a portage there. We're just gonna do this here, called the unofficial portage on the map. Probably because it goes along the rail bed. Whew. That water's moving fast. There was no way I was paddling that. that was some exhilarating class 2 rapids. Not too bad, totally runnable. And that is a loop because that is the Crow River, so we made it all the way around. A little bit more to paddle down the Petawawa, and then we'll get to the car. Oh, got ourselves a fish. Feels like a smallmouth. Feels a walleye in this section, but don't think it's a walleye because of the location. And what is it? Yeah, as expected, smallmouth. Alright, smallmouth bass, gotta let him go. Goodbye. So, I don't think there's any point trolling here because it seems like it's all just smallmouth bass and the season's not open for them yet. Put the rod away for now. So this rail bed makes for a really good unofficial portage. And why is it unofficial? Pretty sure I read somewhere that the rail bed is not part of the actual Algonquin Park. Pretty sure the park said that they didn't want it because they would have to decontaminate the whole rail line, and they didn't want to do that. So we're not officially in the park right now. Alright, back at the bridge. So, find our way down. How did we get up here last time? Here? On this side? Pretty sure it was here. Oh, yep, there's a trail. Just notice, our hat's missing. Or were we even wearing one? I don't remember. Was it wearing a hat? Huh. We'll have to look back to see. Okay, the pretty big rock cliffs here. Look at how these trees are actually growing on it. Literally, you have a tree on a cliff. We have Bypass Falls. The mosquitoes are really out on this lower part of the Petawawa. Full force on those portages. They're still flying around here. So, pick the lesser of two evils and put on the rain jacket. and I will overheat and sweat, but it's better than having a few days of itchy mosquito bites. Whew, sweating up a storm here in this rain jacket. It's really hot today. So spent 5 days out here on the Petawawa, Crow River, and Little Madawaska. We caught fish on all three, so successful trip, I would say. Just have a 600-meter portage left to go, and then we'll be back at the car. So I'm going to end the video here, and we'll catch you in the next one.